Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DaVinci Resolve Public Beta. This powerful new version brings exciting updates, but it is a beta, so a cautious approach is wise. Before installing, ensure you create a complete backup of all your current projects. Once backed up, the installation process itself is quite simple and should only take a few minutes to complete on most systems. Let us get you up and running smoothly. The public beta introduces several incredible enhancements across the board, making your creative process more intuitive. You will notice advanced artificial intelligence tools that significantly speed up tasks like object removal and transcription. Audio professionals will appreciate the expanded suite of sound effects and the more precise processing capabilities. Furthermore, performance optimizations mean smoother playback and faster rendering, even with high-resolution footage, providing a much more fluid editing experience. Adapting your workflow to the new beta is surprisingly intuitive, thanks to thoughtful interface refinements. You will discover new controls that simplify complex color grades, allowing for more artistic expression with just a few clicks. Take some time to explore the updated keyboard shortcuts. Mastering these will dramatically accelerate your editing speed. Experiment with the new fusion effects and transitions to add a fresh, professional polish to all your video projects, truly elevating your storytelling. To make the most of your beta testing experience, always remember to save your work frequently, perhaps every 5 or 10 minutes, to prevent any data loss. Should you encounter any bugs or unexpected behavior, please utilize the official feedback channels. Your detailed reports are invaluable for improving the software. Engaging with the DaVinci Resolve community can also provide quick answers and shared solutions, helping everyone navigate this exciting new chapter together effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.